Hi, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Invincible Hustle. If you're anything like me, there's nothing quite like the sound of a roaring engine that makes your heart race. Today, we are diving into one of the most thrilling aspects of a car, its exhaust sound. Whether it's that deep growl or high-pitched scream, the right exhaust note can make a car unforgettable. So, buckle up as we count down the top 5 car exhaust sounds that are sure to leave you in awe. Let's get started. Number 5, we have the legendary Ford Mustang GT500. With its supercharged V8 engine, the GT500 delivers a roar like no other. Whether you're idling or pushing it to the limit, this muscle car's exhaust sound is pure power. Listen to the beast. Number 4, the BMW M5 Stinkspray RP850. With its twin-turbo V8, this powerhouse delivers an aggressive exhaust note, blending luxury with raw power and precision. Engineered for ultimate performance, it dominates the road with unmatched style and speed. Listen to the roar. Number 3, the Dodge Challenger Hellcat. With its supercharged Hemi V8, this beast roars to life, delivering an unmistakable exhaust note that commands attention. A true muscle car, built for power and speed, the Hellcat blends raw performance with legendary American muscle and unforgettable presence on the road. Listen to the thunder. Number 2, the Lamborghini Aventador V12. With its naturally aspirated V12 engine, this masterpiece delivers an exhilarating exhaust note that screams performance. Finished in sleek black, the Aventador's aggressive exterior is matched by a luxurious interior featuring premium leather and cutting-edge technology. A perfect combination of Italian engineering, power, and precision, it commands the road with every shift. Feel the power, listen to the symphony as it accelerates effortlessly, leaving a trail of pure adrenaline. Number 1, the one and only Porsche 911 GT3 RS. With its naturally aspirated 4.0 L flat-six engine, this track-focused beast delivers an exhilarating exhaust note that screams precision and power. Finished in a stunning, aggressive design, the 911 GT3 RS features a lightweight, aerodynamic body paired with a high-performance interior, including racing-inspired bucket seats and a stripped-back, driver-focused cockpit. Its engineering brilliance is evident in every corner, from its active aerodynamics to the precise handling. Feel the connection to the road as it delivers an unmatched driving experience, blending speed, control, and pure performance. Listen to the symphony of the GT3 RS, a true legend in the automotive world. These were the top cars with the best exhaust sounds. Hope you enjoyed them. Comment down your favorite one, like this video, and subscribe for part 2. Thank you.